what happens is you end up, they have a bomb, we need a bomb. They got a bigger bomb, we need a bigger bomb. They have more bombs, we need more bombs. And sooner or later, someone pushes the wrong button, and all of a sudden, climate change really isn't the issue anymore. And getting back to the original goal of Armistice Day, the veterans of World War I realized this. I mean, you had arms buildup before World War I, and everybody was on trigger alert. Everybody was pushing militarism in a war, and all it took was one guy with a bullet, with a handgun in Sarajevo to start off a war that killed off 1 million people. The best way to observe or to honor the veterans on Veterans Day is to work towards world peace so that the veterans' children don't have to go to war.